Hi all. So today in this video we are going to see about the Java packages. So package is nothing but it is grouping of similar type of classes, interfaces and sub-packages. Why we are doing this is to categorize the classes and interfaces so that we can easily maintain all the packages that we are going to use. And it also provides the access protection and it removes the naming collision in the program. This is the advantage of using a package. We have two types of packages. One is user defined and another one is inbuilt. User defined is nothing but we can create the package based on the program that we are working on. Next one is the inbuilt package, that is the basic packages that we are using like Java, Lang, AWT, SQL, etc. Now we'll see how we are going to access the packages. We have three main methods to access the package. First one is using the package name. That is using the import keyword, we can access the package so that it will, whatever the classes and interfaces has been declared inside the package can be accessed. Next one is using the import package dot class name. So whatever the packages has been declared inside this class can be accessed. No sub packages can be accessed. Third one is a fully qualified name. That is only the declared classes that is mentioned inside this name can be accessed. Here also we will not be able to use the sub packages. Now let's see how we are going to create a package. Let me open the notepad. So this package is a keyword that we are using to create the package. So here I have created my pack. Next one is a simple hello world program. But instead of hello world, I have used the welcome to package. Here I have saved this program as simple because I have given the class name as simple. Now let's save this program and compile and run it. Let me open the command prompt. So what is the first step we have to do is we have to move to the directory where we have saved the program. So I have moved to the program. So the keyword is Java C -D is to import the packages also. If there is no error, we will create a class file. Now we have to run the program. That is java dot mypack dot simple. So here it has given the output as welcome to package. Clear? So this is a basic method of creating a packages. Hope it is clear. Thank you. Have a nice day.